have to be stupid. You know that, right? Yeah. Rocket. Duh. Here we go. See, it's three niggas. Two of them trying to be a killer. The other one writing for suspicion. His boys got pistols. They smoking loud and they sipping. He in his backseat tripping. Like we bout to murk a nigga. He spazzing beat. Nigga in the passenger seat. Like fool, why you shaking? We shaking when his ass deceased. So they roll down. Gun sounds, the body hit the ground. The scary nigga in the back ain't even bust around. Bloop, bloop, don't even trip. I got my L's and I'm registered, bitch. Please get out the car to drive a dip. Cops pull out they guns, they just by the bitch. So they put them in the back, found the strap, it was on the other dude lap. He said, man, I was dudes in the back, so they called a break. The scary nigga, he caught a case. Murder one, his family never see his face. Damn, that's fucked up.
Growing up a little nigga had no goals. Now my dreams are bigger than life. I just wanna live right, cause I remember the night when I stayed up selling that hard white. Damn, baby, I gotta get my life together. And I swear I gotta treat my mother better. Cause that woman is my heart, and if we ever should part, I swear I would go insane. And shit won't be the same. She used to tell me, Devin, please live right, cause I don't want those tragic calls at night. The next day I got locked up for 2 years. I still taste the salt from my tears. I swear y'all could see her face. I feel like a disgrace with those raindrop tears trickling down her face. 2 years later she was waiting at the gate. I swear no one can ever take her place, I love you, yeah, I swear to God I was a fool. I love my mother, I love everybody out there for me, you know what I'm saying? I did a lot of my life. I'm a young nigga, I'm still a young fool. I'm only 22, you know? You all can make mistakes, though. I just wanna let you know I'm sorry. I thank you.